Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Coinbase and Kraken. Coinbase and Kraken are popular cryptocurrency exchanges, but they cater to different users. Coinbase is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell and manage various cryptocurrencies. It is known for its easy-to-use interface, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to buy, sell and manage cryptocurrencies. While it has higher fees, it offers convenience and regulatory trust, ideal for newcomers. Kraken is one of the oldest and most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a secure and user-friendly platform for trading and investing in digital assets. One of Kraken's standout features is its regulatory adherence, making it a trusted platform in regions like the US and Europe. However, its fees can be higher for small volume traders, and it supports fewer altcoins compared to a competitor like Binance. In my opinion, Coinbase is the best for beginners, while Kraken offers low fees and advanced trading for experienced users. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.